Hey guys, welcome for the session of Python 0 to Hero. My name is Abhishek, and before going to start the session, I would request every one of you that please do not skip any of the lectures because in every lecture we'll discuss something new. And if you have any question or any doubt regarding this session, I would request please you ask your queries. Let's go with the topic which we are going to cover in this session or in upcoming sessions as well. First, we will discuss about the Python basic. Then we'll discuss the different data types. What are available in the Python. Then we'll go with the logic and flow control, basically checking the data type of based using if else, and we'll go with the flow control. Then we'll learn string methods like stripping, how we can strip or slice the string. Then we have a special type of data type: list, array, tuple, dictionary, and set. These are the main important data type, and I would request to focus on these main data type when we will discuss about it. After this, we'll move to the file handling section where we'll learn how to read and write. So in the file handling section, we'll learn about reading and writing about in file. Then many of you have come from background of Java. So similar concept here in Python as well, which is OOPS, and here we'll learn about the inheritance, polymorphism, and all. Uh, Next, we'll move to the section Python function, how we can create a function, customize function, and we can use it. After that, we'll learn about some advanced topic, like how we can pull the data from a website and how we can do the analysis on available data. And at last, we'll have a final assignment section as well as a project for you all. And